we de ensem no edoso iti ye bebo ni nyina tawtaw na dey yen kasa enfa ye video bi a ababonten e de afa counselor Lutro ye programmer Vicky Zuga won so ye actress wode ehihye so e wo UTV a che say omo kasa e de efa ye relationship ene aware said ye be ya nyoma ebetimi akokwan so wano e de amanipa e wo relationship mu ye waware ensemu how a wobetimi asoso wo yiri mu ama che say watimi hu sa wo yiri de aha e na me feelings hye wukunu aha na ne so ne de hye na ne che say watimi edi mu agro fine na eno na video na ebebeto abonten no dodo na akasa e de afa ehom ama ye nua be mebi a wono nsoso no na che say wo ye general manager e de ema Ice TV ye papa Bishop dan obi ni TV na wono nsoso ye sa program no ma enkrofo e ye NMC fo e be kasa de fa homa ni program no wo mo e short ne down na sense ya wo hu say program fofo nso e koso UTV a ene de die na wo ye no e ye the same thing na wo mo entimi enkan na che say ama nibre abapa na nensem ka ye emu eno ye ne betwetwe eye enkomo nso aka ho na ansa na ye beje wade ntwade afa ho no ye mongo hwe eye video no efa eye counselor Lutro ne eye abaya na so wogina TV station and as a live telecast so na ye susu ni mu a won hye pioto won go eye bra ni boku esisu so sebio na hifie da so a ye susu susu ni mu no na ye bra ne ye ba ya beje eye prophet adwenche so e de afa ensem no
we and eye okay well we and eye no gentle sa enti producer na nche wo sa enti me na wo hwe na me ye na den say camera na nchi echiri ba me ye we na no ogina ho nti wu ya me wo na chi a eto no so wo net endings enti me nam say ukura eto ye nia nti say obi a wo bi won to pa wu nia ti say upade ewu wo ko na wu nia ti say upade ewu eno so ye nia ye maso o maso finisira ni say ni nim say ka ha o wo and that's a fourth. And you send me now, Umia, no, I left it. Well, say, I to say, sir, you know what I did near cock, and yet, you're pretty. Some men like a Ubia, meaning the elevator commander. And she said, you send me then and send him say, boy, I'm more than to see them got vessel. It's why you see, I train them possible. So we put them.
Now I was here for say and some no call you live television. Although say na an program here and program at 11 p.m. and our year program no. I just said in your mother say a call so na odifo. They say dear baby our may drew your programs are ye show no TV so although say a late programmer or ye so ye no kwan so no dey na betime ka fa ho
me da was sika bio me ka say these are the TV we here a portray beauty okay so what you say a TV nyoma a TV portray a dwaman hwe e do man Ghana dia ba be to dwa etumudie ene e mass tafre so what you say abia adibia e twetwe man Ghana bo e na YouTube nso die say the TV station what you say e kwani enka maame ne baba be hye program empanifo hwem what you say empanifo hwem wo nkom ehunu se maame ade obaba yi e de ne da bro man Ghana what you say enkwale bo wo na
this is phone creative was so enkofo ti me hwe
what you say enti so for your program we hwe se ye papa yi eye de nsa fa maame ye japade so emia maame ba bi no ba no so ne yi rete oba so de ne ho ba ho se de oye ye ne ho so ati ase e portrait dwaman ni sa enwuma no enkai ene ntwai
okay
oh a TV station of your caliber they also come tia say you be ba TV station mu dey interview radio show am ti tia no e putting on the right track no ye ma me no be host program no me make ka senka say the one year ne dibia ne ni monyam adu ba bi no e wo sen ko timi atia what you say and a minimum be your cofa oba no ene ne bai once na dey chem be bi e cofa oba ne be gina wow and check maturity
okay
wow sempo pani krampo ha a TV station, a national TV station, and California teaching and I more a programmer, I didn't beg any of my number. Benny, once I mentioned, a polemic clear, we was already a poor acting and more acting. Nanka, your papa can salute you to sell your software. Clerical chimney.
What's our result?
Clerical chimney, what you say? It's a human baby.
Now, I think for said American, you know, a young Sammy Rasta, and I say, TP Clan, no, general manager at the MIC, as they say, or DTN, net day, Wakasa at the Afa and Simi, and who a pie, or a woman, so, and TN, you know, and what to change a year and common, also no, the Okafa and Simuno, Waka and two a jack.
Yeah, so far.
We have dear.
Nyamiadum yankwa bibia boko.
Mama kwa so ede about too much age so.
You miss me jemuso pa mechia one batifu na.
Okay. Na and some about beto aboti yi den na work kan efa hu fa wanu disem etu edwa ema etie for omu etie usabri.
You me dance na I think say and some I so a year for UTV programmer a home video about top on ten as film say a woman we say mu and baby a drum a year National Media Commission for the TV stations in Miensa a betu gase said you mu ye in Funina and Senfata wumu a TV so. Intino omunja yi ema yese mo TV station yese nyina echo NMC office na me kasem kakra bi si NMS National Media Commission office cause na me obi that time na me manage ICTV yakoye no me yebisa me the reason why ye sa adult films no anajo no me chirichiri u say sebi e content a ye mpanyimfo enti na ye yi anajo 1 AM na yenso ye wo satellite so a ubetina ye parental control e wo so akwalata enti me nhwe just a wo kwa na e bia person hwe ye kwakika na tender TV so eyi sa program ya mu ye bi aba o de no mu de profon fo nyini na ye de eye illustrate ekire ene mo ka ho asem ni nyina na NMC ni e kasa se sebi ye yo manfo a nyina ye pese ye boa mo man tumpon intino ewu mu sa time a ye program no enka u consider bia anka yese ya na dodie but sebi unim abofra ebia wote TV no ho that time na problem e cause ntino omuni enyina kasa se yinya yi na I quite remember say we see you know a despite group of company and no UTV yes anima we would TV so nyina to look yes so can me I remember I did an interview where me interview they were all insulting me. Say they men pay money ye and at this time ye nema we say everyone nema can send basa ye programs that condemn ye nyina enti ade ha me say ye pese e say bi to memu say radio ni TV station e bi so say biana e bi to me say omo de omo pe biana because ye committee no me say question we say multimedia Adum TV na mama Zimbi program hoye no yi sa na ema we bi ya ante se NMC kan wasem da me ante se Mr. Annan Force ni James Obeko report to say ekuma mama Zimbi yi na ema we se wo TV so enye na ante okay UTV starting you know movies foreign movies omunya sexual intercourse wo nyina bibisa wasem sentiment akwa baba be do so ama TH1 bono ebra na omo ye omo duvet yante mo hwe and are we creating a just TV stations media e be susu che bia na wow hwe ni aba dia cancel to 18 TV so aye mako sap of oba se be said we so on se pieto se dia o hye night a ye de nsa ne nam ne ba so ni e fitire no TV so we ente ya de pa a media gana obi aka na no atuma yem pese e bekasa ewo ho National Media Commission bekasa omo be din okoma no say again are we giving some authority to certain platforms so we encomasem we dey do no pen omo ya na ye besre o man say adia ye say abaye the blow ba no ye the boteti say ye be equal right e wo man mu ne ye be sanity e wo man we dia enye obi ye na nya obi ye na enye so aye kan. Let's all speak against this act. Make I see a what NMC office no tender TV for a raising question we say yeah the materials are very illustrated and MIT say I'm seeing you know you to drawings are illustrations are say maybe a position when you can was maybe a when you can was you need to images and almost there and will be suggesting say what the cartoons or you see there they say they are telling us that if you want to do sex education just talk about it,
no action, no practicals,
nothing. But then share the echo it me the me ade ha me ne say mini problem be our mu program na omo ye nu say National Media Commission for G2 say see a program better say sex education omo better say time omo yi no am dia and you won kan na bia anye do person oye so say ye kan no dia say ye first say UTV and omo de omo so omo ye big platform omo de is be despite group of companies or omo identity me ewo say media swino omo de omo so ntomo ye da and omo catch other programs other tender TV no man no ye sex education so almost cost no money because time no we don't know for adults. Asifim mesre say more discuss it because I've seen a few radio and TV stations talking about this thing because maybe I said you can a despite group of community into me count matter. Yeah, no dear, yeah, we say as no say yeah no kwa dia what is going on is very bad. And I hear to Christopher that classification a board and also so say you almost so program not the family classify. So they should speak against it. Even though they've not move our program one time, I could say 31st of May of the deal. They should come out and speak against it. But deal because all of these people are affiliated to a campaign you need to know. No matter the company, no matter the institution, no matter your affiliation, ya no kasa so mamba. Said the media man my problem once NMC especially Mr. Anna Force and why media Juma or not DC TV stations be pornography in the planning woman or out no kasa. You say and you no more or man or Makuma say be blank ye media or Mobeka Massam.
Me abema we dey mess up kako comments ni bia ban dodo na susu say enom say na wo ye program ni bia ye ma wo ja ye na ye no ya wonti na wo susu wo kasa ditia ye wo mo no wo mo sa
me pacho obi o kasa ehun ya wa ya o ne de hene ye kasa mi nyai okay obi na I have a lawyer na nkodi e be court because there is a ruling now a friend say Independence Broadcasters Association the NMC court say when you regulate content internal will case say can make just mean the NMC come because what you say but me your man papa into say and pay you for any cancer year na me gya yi a na obi ye bia se me ya eye me yesa se the against ebe ma na ye me ya the ebe ma na ye me ya ne se adele nya wo ye yin ka se ye
okay
wo ye tusu other stations be in front ni wo sana na me ka wasem nti me nka wo bi nka se ye me ya because I don't think I yes obi nyai ni amu obi kwanse wani
okay
yes I me amfa pepepe ye anyo manim and na say bi o say dey make no me in my mind no that time no ni if say 1 a.m. o call dey nka say bi ye nyimfo but ya say say oman no ye ni mofan ye die ni monument matiase na aden ni ala obi no no so ye the same thing
say no omo dey na say dey omo ndwen mofra no so ye die hu
ito anase we mu dey sabi mu dey omo tumi so ana omo de mu ye media house kesi ti omo de mu ya eye that is the mo bi anyima no si boni say eye se eye be ya if you want to describe say eye me ya ebe me ya say sabi e bia me ka say me kwa ko da obi ade ni achi me atum sabi ye fa say honorable esi nketi aba oruku wi ade ya say onu de general mosquito balloon nti on the fa nko say enya edinti na enya ya say ye
okay
me enyi mu fama media no obi ade na enya ye nyina ye nsi ebo ne nka say ade we ye nye na de ye be yanso no say UTV ageni din abon ne wo modern wo media space no ma omo hia sa ade we for trends okay I am wondering why sabi ye papa Father Dixon abon wo modern ama what it in wo media will allow this kind of thing you know not one so condemn the same platform we're condemning
okay now you move
now again assistant you mudu ye because na the foreign ninka ana no mudu so mudi baluka na sabi say yanka wase ma ye beba ne die e bia die ba da ye nim esi media me ka say NMC person mu kire say eye dia ne mo ma ho kwan no obi anya de enye de obetimi aye wo sex education de aboa viewers say nyan so dia na ye be kode mu dia ene mo me nka kire YouTube say the bi o mu program na fa no e hot enye emwa o man no
yo mini abema yes Sammy Rasta and I said TP clan any no etwetwen komo ye beda wase bebre e wo ebra unyama ye ne etwetwen komo nyame shapa bre bi mu no se bibi ba na ye behia wadwentwa ye be fo pa ye ne watwetwen komo
that's it
yo yes ye that's it na ebusiafo say na ye nua abema TP clan anacheso ye general manager ede Emma Ice TV ye papa Bishop Daniel Obi ni TV station no wono so nanu disema wode atu edwa eno na odifo wutie ne nsema na se enyimu ekoso ewo ye mayi emu se dwumedia no wono no won po de no odi omoya no 1 a.m. at that time po de nke beka se nkwada de nko bi ada eso enukrampo no ye frɛ no etoto na no ewo ehu ma tese ye TV station na wo mu yibie yi wo mkrampo etwi na nidi na tem ye tie ne nsɛm odi atu ya na se ene day sa TV station ya makwan ema wo mu susu ya na se no den na se o man no ye be papa kodru because ebinum ye na etitwi wo ma so na ebinum de ye ja wo mu a eye ne kwan so anu no a
sika meka se ye ne kwan so anu unso man na ye ben brew abai di bo teche di bo ba ma yi so ati ase a company like this price but you see UTV name one no ba no dey also mu dey so what I say maybe that require it was disgusting so what I say one money to mo be say na me delete me ba me Facebook page no be dia tag na me say bad man one say me so sans fun so what I say cancel it was when you time and no depending sa ben na mo ba ja padi so be mi o ba to e wo concerta me fo asa no man so what's na me che we enchire ena me nim so for bo cancel it was clerical so what I say we mu na ye enoma edify a man of God what I say and a man of Lucifer okay we mu ye enoma edify ye ntem
nso so yɛ dam yɛ bi hu sɛ radio ɔyɛ man of God radio ɔyɛ man of Lucifer.
How can you call yourself a man of God? Baba Bijina a whole national TV set so me Obanto those are for the Japan. They say we now we are Obano the libido ba we now we are what you say. Ne queen in Yoma be Kenyano Katapio be sorry. When today any omoji that benefits in engage into it. Once I didn't twitch and I will make kind. Oh, too much I say. And Jama
sorry, no correct 2020. Okay,
what I say. You ever got your mind for 10 years. About putting into yourself. Those are the implications at the labor. It is your ground media and the year TV presenters in a year. More so many a year, Mubeti may educated.
Sure.
Now I'm going to number so about the short can yes we move. What I say, and you talk to her. Once in a minute, but wait here, you my musical show our old program, wait here, go for free. Oh, we'll go for free. Why you the program average himself about it very interesting.
I said, I know what did you with the not him say, educated by you and Mr.
No way for him. Where you come and promote you. A Saturday, Sa Nincron Pano, what you say.
We're crumping a man, be no more a
now go to Alabama.
Look, I'm say it's a guarantee. I say, a masturbate.
We will go up and you know, or 90 duty or not. What a one or try a spirit in bloody moon.
It's so probably
or
the baby.
Oh, a member should be should be again one. Once in a dinner. And 20 and pen 1 tiam. No money pure. And I won't say. Se program se beba empenifono ebie program ehwe once na dey enjomu to ba nu obo de je wasi o mahu oba no hwe ni nwe esa no kwati mu se de na yi de bom once na dey o mahu ene no se ye promote the mamodo.
Okay.
The lady mo Ghana the demon of prostitution ye promote no do ni era ni sisi mu ne wo me tena too much time. What I say, if you move toss, make them say, Nana, my brother was saying, what I say, Daddy, if your mother say, I got your bonnet, I'm so get another. Say, I'm me for my auntie away, 22 years about. Again, that's you. What's that? And children maturity, and you be an anti down. Service got no passion, who was software. Every papa can some children who are to Musa with your software. Maybe a new what you say? Or some one children may be a emperor. Yen Kakasa be a emperor. Bible and catch it. So you call yourself a man of God, Babajina, a whole TV station. I'll make a Sako boundaries. Babachin, see about Babachin.
We was and yes, if you are years for Pampa as a married man. Eye ne kwan so no so obema warefo ukoko so ba fufuro emu Bible krampo ma ye wo hu oba no krampo na hwe no na wo ye krampo na tese why bone wafa no e wo wadwunu mu a enesa na me de wo gina wani na wo suso enenu no eye ne kwan so ye
sika so bewe a oba no suso mu na ne nka ne ba bi ya ba
o ka ni ye bi a na wo ye bi a
mu di bi ani san bi ne nyoma bi a hoye ti bewe ne be family say ye radedi asebuli. Oh, now it's a catchy dility because any trend that take and be real. Oh, and can be getting where you be a perfect. Now, wait, dear, you to impeding for the way you are mama muscle. Maybe a 12 months, a 12 okra, or research on your man, as I don't lose interest, TV station view.
Because in November, said the work I'll say, or much more did that, and in your way, now, what the trend.
Once in a day, more chances. I will bet you be a shop for that and pass off about pretty. And no go to pretty. She can be a bit flammo. I just say, any boy a bit bomb and can portray every my papa. Now, wait the film. Maybe you are more baby, and it's our cancer, but didn't we have baby, but didn't we have baby, a man of God and a man of your caliber. A man of your caliber.
Who took for a bed will be a tea?
Ah, maybe they made who say, and then you can pass your son. A pen pass your son. Your baby, Kenyans are some a foot, didn't you miss about it? So, Yama should.
na odi for me say me say like wo na wo betchire wo bi ha o ne ensi endi empoma goes but say me ya say ye chire wo bi ha wo ne ensi ndi empoma goes fa
untimi nchire what you say because me sha me yere kawan enyo na be sha ne kawan what you say me pressure bia me ne me be pemu agbo extraordinary enyo na ba be chire wow ena ye wo kwa ye so e chire what you say educative ayi wow say o respect o yere na obu a enya die bia ne ye say bi won ko gina so de ba de bo mpa
o de ton pro so bo mpa ye
wo mo de sa to so bo mpa die asumdue nkamo
nka o mo so
yo ma titi bi afa ne nsem papa wo so ade ne chiem so
menya so kampo wo afoforo so
Bible na ka say nsa di guni pa so paro yi wo danka wo ila odi afinya boba nam ne clitoris so wo fa ne ni na wo nya na to ma ni nyoma bi sore eji Kenya no ho a anye educative e da wele ni kura ho su gwa ne dress kwa no bi ti wo why you na nu ne sire mu na chire na manga na mpanimbo so peye me me kan duro o manga na mpanimbo ni peye omi ogbe pu na fu mia ba bi begire nya ofefe ne ho a we ni mechi ba kwa kan what I say we ni beda encha a respected station at this day cause moody and a cameraman so almost in your manage and see a cat also moody a mama be chance in ye cat and Jebeco should be a cat and money
na che de omo ye no nya de se
I'm trying
na we dey do for ye de onko mo didie no ebe ba eye ne bi ya ene